So all the managements, good afternoon. So this is regarding the online tie-ups which we are taking with different schools and colleges. So my name is Shakir from Excellence IIT JEE and Medical Academy. Okay. So throughout Andhra Pradesh, at present we have taken 6 tie-ups and many more schools and colleges taking tie-ups is under discussion. So how we are going to take this online classes that I want to explain to you. So by using, we will be running classes from one institute, and the same classes will be going through Zoom classes or the other software to other institutes, and the students of the other institute, they will be attending the classes in the same time. The same lectures, they will be attended by the other schools in other institutes. Okay. So right from 6th to 10th class we will be running the school program, and similarly we are taking the program of 11th and 12th class students also with the most brilliant faculty that are at present in India. Okay. So right from 6th to 10th class, total 100% advanced syllabus will be completed. Whereas if you take other institutes, corporate institutes like Narayana, Chaitanya, KKR Gautam, Visvabharati, Visvasanti, like these of institutes, so they can complete only 20 to 25% of advanced syllabus right from 6th to 10th class. But here, first time we are planning such that we will complete 100% of syllabus right from 6th to 10th class. Okay. And these students, after completing their 10th class, if they want, they can join with us again in 11th and 12th classes. So once they have completed this what you call syllabus up to 10th class, total advanced syllabus, above average students who are above average, they doesn't need the classes again. Okay. So they have to practice just 2 practice papers daily in this 11th and 12th classes for 2 years. Okay. So, and when they practice these many of question papers right from 6th to, in 11th and 12th classes, then the selection rate for even average student also, it will be very high. Selection rate will increases, it may go even up to 100% also. If you are teaching 10 students, nearly all 10 students may also be get selected in the final examination. If this coaching is, if this coaching pattern is followed right from 6th class to 12th class. Okay. So not only teaching the classes in online, so we will be sending regularly daily question papers also, practice papers also for them, where the management should conduct those examinations, and solutions also we will be sending. So those solutions also they have to prepare before leaving the institute. Okay. So today physics, tomorrow will be chemistry, and day after tomorrow will be mathematics. So like this, if they practice continuously, then from 6th to 10th class, most probably they will become the masters of the topic. And in 11th and 12th classes, just if they practice for speed and accuracy, then it should be enough. Okay. So like this, we are planning for this online classes. So now we have 6 tie-ups, and more tie-ups are under discussion. So most probably we will get a good number by the end of next month. Okay. So here there is no constraint about what you call number of students and what is the fee for each student, because number of students, how much the management can give, that depends on the management, and what is the fee they are going to collect, that also depends on the financial ability and the glamour of the school also, and what is the economic ability of that particular region. Okay. So whatever may be the number of students, whatever fee we are going to get. Okay. So that irrespective of acceptance of the program. So definitely that project we will take up irrespective of the number of students and what is the fee for each student. And whatever fee they will collect, half of the fee the management will take and half of the fee will be taken by us. Okay. So this is one of the finest program in India, and the schools and colleges, I request you to use this opportunity, because to maintain advanced level faculty in every institute is not possible. because minimum at least you have to pay 1 lakh, 1.5, 2 lakhs for each faculty who can teach advanced level. Okay, but here in this type of program with a minimum amount, with a very less amount of money, so we can maintain such a faculty who can teach up to advanced level with a lot of interest also. Okay, and today's education system, that is the syllabus which we are teaching the students right from 6th to 10th class, it is the most outdated syllabus. Why I call this one as outdated syllabus? Because this syllabus is not at all useful for the students to write either IIT exam or NEET examination. Okay, so right from 6th to 10th class, they will study a very small amount of concept, and when they enter into 11th and 12th classes, the amount of syllabus they have to study is very, very, very large. It becomes 20, 30 times greater when compared to the syllabus which they have studied in the 10th class. Okay. So therefore, training the students right from 6th class is a very, very, very important factor today. And according to a research, it was said that, so out of 1,000 students, nearly 800 students, top 1,000 students I am taking, if you take IIT examination or NEET examination, so out of top 1,000 students, 800 students will be those students who have taken coaching right from their 6th class, 7th class or 8th class. Okay. So this is our planning for this program. So thank you.